from your wonderful speech. And the next speaker is Preeti from third year English. The topic is the father's gift.
Good afternoon to everyone. Students and sir. Today I am going to tell some short story. The farmer's gift. The farmer's gift. A farmer struggled to grow crops. One day he found a diamond ring in the field. He bring it to king and gave it to king. And king said to farmer, keep it with you and keep it with you and do what you do. The king said to farmer bought so many lands by leaving he cultivated crops and he grows many more plants and trees in his many years past the land became flourished and beautiful and this beautiful Beautiful. One day a traveler asked to the farmer, why are you so happy? He said that once I had nothing, but today I have something and I can share. Moral of the story, gratitude turns everything good. Thank you.